Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is your Bangalore boy. So right now we are in the Popeyes, their first store put up in India, that is in Bangalore. And right now I'm in one of their outlets which is put up in Bangalore. So what is Popeyes? So if you have heard of KFC, definitely you would have heard of KFC, McDonald's and other fast food, American fast food. So Popeyes is one of America's famous fast food which was started in the year 1973. So here we are in their first outlet which is put up in Koramangala. We'll check this out and we'll check their burgers, fries and other veg dishes. So let me take you through. The food was just served in less than 5 minutes and it is super quick. This is the chicken Popeyes sandwich meal. So they don't call it as a burger meal, they call it as a sandwich meal. This includes 4 pieces of hot wings and then we get fries and then we get a coke and then we get a burger. And this is the Popeyes chicken, special chicken. The special burger is called as a Louisiana burger filled with crispy chicken in it and the buns are really fresh. It's like it's straight out of the bakery. So let's have a bite of it. Better than KFC or McDonald's because you are more of eating the same burgers and same combos. But definitely this combination is really amazing. The chicken is properly fried, tender, super juicy, and the burger is really soft. Do check out this combination of the chicken sandwich. It's not a burger actually, it's called a chicken sandwich. So this is the other special, the Popeyes special chicken. So let's taste all of this. So the chicken is really juicy, tender, crispy. It's fried properly. So this is just 10 on 10. It's worth it. Just tastes really juicy. This is the chicken wings guys and it looks really nice. It's sweet and spicy. Again it's very juicy. Deep fried. It's really good. Little bit spicy but not too much, and I think these are the air fried fries because there's no oil at all. So do check this out and have a taste of the combo wings, fries and the Popeye sandwich. Worth all the hype guys. So the food tasted 10 on 10. There's no doubt about it. We have 5 different outlets put up in Bell Road, Koramangala, Kalyanagar and etc. if you Google yourself down. So this is the chicken sandwich, the Popeye special chicken, the wings and the cartoon fries. They are known for it and it tastes really good. So do visit, spend your own time here and taste the food. Really love the food and see you back in the next vlog. Thank you guys for supporting me. Do share,